Okay, well, today we're going to be trying something and reviewing something a little different. Not so much a drink, well, it is a drink, but more of a recipe that's kind of become an internet meme, and that is beef fizz, which is probably one of the worst ideas I've had in a while, but here we go. And so a little while back, a friend of mine posted a picture online that he reposted from somebody else from Facebook. Apparently this has been floating around for several years. Somebody that had a recipe from an old cookbook, I think it's from the 50s or 60s, for beef fizz drink. And most people say it sounds pretty disgusting. I agree, it does sound pretty disgusting, but then again, so did the mango habanero coconut ice cream. That turned out pretty good, so we're going to give this a try. And first of all, so here's the recipe for that. And while my ginger ale is not chilled, I also have ice here, because who wants to try warm beef fizz? It just sounds nasty. So we're going to have beef fizz on the rocks. So we're going to start out with ice cubes in my container here. And here we go. And then we're actually going to have the recipe because I don't really want all that much of it laying around. We're going to start with the ginger ale, and I have this Canada Dry bold ginger ale here. Actually never tried this before, but we'll try it a little bit later. So I'm actually going to put half a cup of this into my container, just so the recipe's about right. So that's a little over, yeah, that's about half full. Just want to put that in there, so that's nice and chilled. It actually smells pretty good. That's like a cross between ginger ale and ginger beer. I'll have to give a separate review for this sometime. Alright, so that's in there. Oh boy. Now it says on top of that you're supposed to put in 1 can of condensed beef broth, which I guess condensed beef broth is like 10.5 ounces. This is 14.5. So we don't really want to put the whole thing in. I'm just going to open up part of it and let's see. So that's about 4. Oh, that's 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Yep, that's beef broth, all right. All right. And the last ingredient here is lemon juice. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in this. This is condensed lemon juice, so maybe that'll give it more of a kick or something. I don't know. We got a little stir stick here, so we're going to stir all that up. Well, that's an interesting flavor. Got the old Contigo here, and bottoms up. It's salty. Taste a little bit of the sweetness from the ginger ale, a little bit of the lemon. Kind of tastes like diluted fizzy beef broth, but not quite. It's not as strong beef broth. I don't really know what to say, folks. It's not horrible. It's probably something you'd enjoy if you were sick and wanted like something like chicken noodle soup and ginger ale, but wanted them together and didn't want the chicken and noodle bits. It's not that gross, but I think I'll have to get a second opinion, so you just wait right there and we'll get someone to give a second opinion. Alright, now we're going to get an unbiased opinion. Here, Link. Thirsty? What do you think of that thing? You like it or no?
Really good.
No? Is it good?
Mmm.
Really? You want to drink more?
More?
Yeah, you can drink more. No?
No.
Okay. I'll get you some milk.
No. What?
And there you have it. Oh wait. You want for more?
More?
You want more? Go ahead.
No. Eh.
He doesn't know what to think of it either. No, yeah, there we go. Alright, let's feed you lunch. So there you have it. Beef fizz. Not recommended. Thanks for watching, and we'll have more for you next time. Bye.